How to fix blurry issue on Amazon Prime Video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix if your Prime Video streaming service is actually really blurry. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now your Prime Video app could actually be being blurry due to slow internet connection, which is definitely the primary factor over here. So even if you have a slow internet connection, there is a way to actually get the highest quality possible. So in order to do that, I will just go ahead and open up the Prime Video application. So once you open the Prime Video application, you can see this is how it is actually going to look like. All you have to do is to tap on the profile icon, which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen. As you tap on the profile icon, you'll see all the sorts of various options. So tap on the gear icon again, which is at the top right. And at the very top, you can see streaming and co-op video quality. So just select stream and download and select streaming quality at the very top. Over here, your Amazon Prime could actually be blurry because you could have set it to data saver and that this toggle is also turned off. So the best way to fix it is to simply select use highest quality on Wi-Fi, and you can simply select the best quality. Just go ahead and then adjust the quality. So but even if you have it to the best quality possible and it still gives you the blurry issue, then I just want you to go ahead and then also actually check your internet connection, by the way. But this is simply it. This is how you can fix blurry, because you have to set it to the best quality possible. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.